In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to disable pop-up blockers in Google Chrome on Windows. Begin by launching the Google Chrome on your Windows. Click on the ellipsis or three dots icon located in the upper right corner of the Chrome window. This opens the Chrome menu. From the menu, click on Settings to access the Chrome settings page. In the settings page, scroll down and click on Privacy and Security in the left-hand sidebar. Under the Privacy and Security section, locate and click on Site Settings. Scroll down in the Site Settings menu until you find the section labeled as Pop-ups and Redirects. Click on it to manage pop-up settings. To disable the pop-up blocker entirely, click on Toggle switch next to Sites Can Send Pop-ups and Use Redirects. This will turn off the pop-up blocker for all websites. If you want to allow pop-ups for specific websites, scroll further down to the Allowed section and click on Add and enter the website URL in the next box of the Add Site window. And then click Add again to save the website to the Allow list. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.